All right. Well, here we are. Completed. There's the slats. We got all the hardware on. Faith's bed is done. So all we got to do is take it back apart tomorrow, take it up to her room, put it together, and then wait for the box springs and the mattress to come in. And she has a brand new bed. This has been kind of a long process, and it's my first bed I ever made. And a lot of it, there was no really any plans that I created. They were all in my head, but by looking at her bed and the bed I have right now, she picked out the color. This is close to a little lighter version of the color of my bed, but about the same. But everything was just on the fly. I mean, I had plans in my head, and as I worked along, I would change and update it. And I found some videos on YouTube to help me along, especially with the hardware here, which worked out just great. Total price on this, material-wise, the wood was about $100. The stain and the shellac probably $32. $13 for the hardware, and I can't figure out the man hours on it, but didn't do it for that. I mean, it was done for her to have a new bed that she wanted to have. I wanted to take on the challenge, and I'm pretty happy with what I did. So, for those of you who have been looking at this video and watching everything and saying great job, I really appreciate it. I mean, I appreciate all your well wishes and your compliments and everything. And that ends the bed series. Next time you'll see the bed, I'll show you what it looks like after we've made her bed, cleaned up her room, and what it looks like in there. But until then, the next project, not with a screen, but I got some mahogany, some pine, and some cedar. I'm making the next project for another one of my kids. Stay tuned.